Good afternoon, Steve from All Star Case Breaks, doing a box of 17 Finest Baseball for Steve. Roll for it. Here we go. Oops. Well, I knocked the camera over and threw the dice on the floor. That's not a good start. Okay. 8, 6 would be this box. Judge Super. Matt, how you doing this afternoon? Victor, how are you doing this afternoon? Sorry I got on so late today. I don't know how many phone calls between work, other places I serve, and wedding stuff. This is more fun. Don't tell my wife and daughter that, but the wedding will be great. The lead up can be more of a challenge. So we're looking for Judge here, right? Or those, I thought those Hall of Fame autographs came out, looked pretty good. Matt, out of the first box, the only good card was there was a Finest Mystery Redemption. Nothing else of note. Steve, you want everything shipped here? Good luck. Here we go. Myers, Contreras, 23 of 50 gold, Justin Turner. These are $125 a box, by the way. $6 to ship. Jose De Leon, rookie. Segura, 8 of 150. Well, there's an Aaron Judge rookie card. Trevor Story breakthrough. Bregman rookie. Rays rookie. Syndergaard Finest. Benintendi rookie. Man, you're hitting the rookies. Made a Refractor, I think. Yeah, doesn't say it, but Swanson rookie. Arenado breakthrough. Jorge Alfaro, rookie Refractor auto. Hanley Ramirez, 88 of 99. Nola breakthrough. Contreras out of 250. Mookie Betts Refractor. Addison Russell breakthrough. And that was the break. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 4. Afternoon cord. Ah, look good, man. I thought they did a nice job as always. We're hunting for superfractors, of course, as always. Matt, if you only want the autographs, numbered cards, good rookies, $3. Darvish, Joe Musgrove, Aaron Judge rookie again, ×2, or second one. Yep, $6 is good. Longoria Refractor, Schwarber out of 99. Bregman rookie, Benintendi rookie, back-to-back. Mazzara breakthrough. Shipley and Swanson rookies, Vizquel. Renfroe, Musgrove rookies, Chapman Refractor. DeGrom breakthrough. Benintendi rookie. Man, you've hit it on the rookies. We just need one with some ink on it. Shoot, wrong Yankee. But that is a variation. Tyler Austin rookie. I think with the logo in the background, that's a rare variation card. Oh, finest first. Yep. Longoria Gold, 45 of 50. Made a breakthrough. Made a purple. Piscotti. Shipley Refractor rookie. Syndergaard breakthrough. And that was the box. Well, thanks, Steve. Man, I got a Yankee autograph for you, but not... I know, not the right one. All right, box 3. Matt, I'll do yours soon as Steve is done. Good afternoon, Canes fan Bob. Guys, we also have Prestige Football, which released today. Those are $112 a box. $6 to ship. 4 autographs. Gobs of 40, I think 40 rookies a box. Renfro, Musgrove, man, Yankee again, Tyler Austin, Alfaro, De Leon, Lester Refractor, Lindor, Breakthrough, Beltre out of 250, Bryant, Bryant again, Ortiz, finest career, Austin, Moncada, there you go. Not Judge, but not far behind. Well, Steve, do you want me to try to get that 24 of 25 Andrew Benintendi orange? Congrats on that one. That's a good hit. Kinsler out of 50. Piscotti. And it's crazy. All the rookies are in one box, looks like. Base in the other box. Kimbrough Refractor. Trout Breakthrough. Moncada rookie. Yep, on card. Hey Steve, that's probably can be taken off. Do you want to do it or do you want me to do it? It's just a fleck. It's not a problem. I'll ship it and I'll let you do it. That's probably better. Congrats, man. Steve, let me know if you want any more.